Hey everybody in 6th hour. It's about 5 o'clock Monday afternoon as I am recording your instructional video for Tuesday. I just want to say you guys have done a great job responding on Google Classroom. You've been my most active class, which does not surprise me. I'm glad your personalities are still coming through, even on the internet. Keep that up. It'll make this more interesting and less boring. Okay, first off, I want to let you know that my official online office hours are going to be Monday through Friday from 9 to 1. Nope, back up. 9 to 11 and 1 to 3. I'm not saying I won't answer your questions outside of those hours, but those are going to be the hours that I'm actively sitting at my computer to help you. Now, some of you in your quick write on Monday express the challenges you think you're going to have with online learning. And one of the suggestions I have for you is to set a time when you are going to sit down and work on your assignments every day. And maybe using those hours, 9 to 11 and 1 to 3 would be a good time to do it. It'll keep you in a routine. Also, set yourself a workspace where your distractions are limited. Right now, I can't go into my office because I need to clean it. That'll be a quarantine project. So my work center is my standing desk at my stove. I do use it to cook occasionally, but when I'm not, that's going to be my workstation because it'll limit my distractions. Because when I sit at my kitchen table to work, this is what I have staring at me. And that little black one sitting up top is the one you heard whining at the end of yesterday's video. All right, so let's talk about today's assignment. Your attendance question is, what is your must-have quarantine snack? Post your response in the comments. Make sure you're answering the attendance question every day. I do have to keep up with attendance through Google Classroom, so make sure you're checking in every day. Make sure you're answering that question every day. You're already watching this instructional video. Let me talk about your assignment for today, Antigone versus Ismene. All right, so it's a two-part assignment. Part 1, you're going to use the internet or a dictionary if you have it to look up these 8 vocabulary words. You have 4 words for Antigone: sallow, recalcitrant, withdrawn, and emaciated. You'll just write your definitions down. You have Ismene, where you will define the words radiant, matronly, loquacious, and equitable. Now, once you've defined all 8 words, 4 for Antigone, 4 for Ismene, you're going to scroll down to here. And based on those vocabulary words, you're going to create a description of Antigone in your own words. You'll write it here. And you're going to create a description of Ismene in your own words. And you'll type it here. Now, part 2 is down here. So after doing the vocabulary and creating your own description, you're going to listen to 2 songs, which I will have posted to Google Classroom. We have Let It Be by the Beatles and I Won't Back Down by Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers. And I've also posted a copy of the song lyrics here, even though the lyrics are in the videos. So after you've done the vocabulary, you've written your descriptions, and you've listened to the songs, you're going to do part 2 of this assignment, which is our writing assignment. You're going to decide which song best describes which character based on those vocabulary words, and you're going to describe why you've chosen each in a 2-chunk paragraph. Doesn't matter how you start your topic sentence. You don't have to include author and title and all that in this topic sentence. Your concrete details should include text evidence from one of the songs and a song lyric. You don't have to cite it. Don't worry about that. You can cite if you want to, but I'm not going to take off points if you don't. Your commentary, you'll explain the connection between the vocabulary words and the song lyric you chose. And then for the second chunk, you'll do the same thing for the second sister. Now, you can do this assignment in a clean, brand new Google Doc, or you can make a copy of this one, type your answers here. When you're finished, I prefer that you upload the assignment to Google Classroom, but if you can't figure out how to do that, you can share the document with me. And by typing in my initials, CDH, I'm the second name there, and I can take care of it from there. Just as long as I get the assignment in one way or another, you're good. For right now, I'm going to be posting your grades to Google Classroom until I get the green light to put them on JCampus. but expect for all these grades that you're getting on Google Classroom to be in a J Campus at some point. As always, if you have questions, communicate them with me. Email, Remind101, Google Classroom, it doesn't matter. And I believe that is all you guys are doing today. Let me know if you have any questions. If not, stay sane, wash your hands, and be safe.